Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here, amazing. Once upon a time, in a quiet village, there was an old man named Morat who had a peculiar lantern. It was not just any lantern, it had the ability to show glimpses of the future. Morat, a gentle soul with a heart full of wonder, had inherited the lantern from his grandfather, who had told him, "Use it wisely, for the future is a precious thing." One evening, as the village fell under a blanket of stars, Morat decided to take a walk through the woods, holding the lantern close. He let the light guide his way. As he wandered deeper into the forest, the lantern glow began to shimmer, showing him vision of people he had never met. A young girl playing with a dog, a traveler searching for something, and an old woman sitting on a porch waiting for someone. Curious, Morat followed the trail of vision, and after a while he arrived at a small, abandoned house. The lantern flickered and showed him a scene from the past. The house had once been full of life, but now it was empty and forgotten. A sadness settled in his heart. Morat knocked on the door, and to his surprise, an old woman opened it. She smiled softly, her eyes filled with recognition. "I have been waiting for you," she said. "The lantern has brought you here for a reason." The woman told Morat that the house had once been her home, filled with love and laughter. But over time it had been forgotten by everyone, even her own family. She had been waiting for someone to remember the past, to rekindle the forgotten stories, and restore the warmth of the house. Morat listened intently, and in that moment, they understood the lantern was not just a tool of glimpsing the future, it was a reminder of the past, of the memories that should never be forgotten. With the woman's guidance, he spent the next few weeks restoring the house, filling it once more with life, stories, and laughter. The village soon heard of the old house being brought back to life, and people came from far and wide to visit. Morat had not only restored the house but also reminded the village that every memory, no matter how small, is a treasure.